Welcome back to Epic Top 5, the channel where we explore the world's most incredible creations, from futuristic engineering to billionaire luxury. And today, we're diving into a world where price tags are more expensive than private jets, and cars are built not just for driving but for making history. These are the top 5 most expensive cars in the world in 2025. So buckle up and let's start. Number 5 is the SP Automotive Chaos, a hypercar that looks like it was built for a sci-fi movie. Made in Greece, the Chaos is not just expensive, it's also insanely powerful. The top-spec version, called the Chaos Zero Gravity, claims over 3,000 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful internal combustion cars ever imagined. Its body is made using 3D printed titanium, carbon fiber, and even aerospace materials designed for space-level heat resistance. Inside, the cockpit looks more like a fighter jet than a car. Everything, from the steering wheel to the seats, is lightweight, sculpted, and brutally futuristic. With a price tag of $14.65 million, this car isn't just rare. It's a statement that the future of hypercars has no limits. At number 4 is a car that looks like it came straight from a billionaire's dream, the Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta. Horacio Pagani designed this masterpiece as a tribute to the legendary Zonda. Only 3 units exist in the world, making it one of the rarest hand-built cars ever created. The Barchetta features a stunning roofless design, exposed rear wheels, and Pagani's signature blend of art and engineering. Its interior is a museum of craftsmanship. Hand-stitched leather, aircraft-grade switches, a mix of titanium and carbon fiber everywhere you look. Under the hood sits a powerful 7.3-liter Mercedes-AMG V12, delivering an unmatched symphony of sound. At $17.3 million, this car is not just exclusive, it's automotive art. Number 3 is the legendary Bugatti La Voiture Noire, the black car. This one-off hypercar was created as a modern tribute to Jean Bugatti's missing Type 57 SC Atlantic. With a body sculpted from full carbon fiber and polished by hand, La Voiture Noire is one of the most elegant cars Bugatti has ever built. The monstrous 8.0-liter quad-turbo W16 engine produces 1,500 horsepower, delivering that iconic Bugatti performance. Inside, the cabin feels like a luxury penthouse on wheels. Smooth leather, brushed aluminum, and the finest craftsmanship in the automotive world. Priced at $19.3 million, and with only 1 unit ever produced, La Voiture Noire is the ultimate symbol of exclusivity. At number 2 is a car built for the world's elite, the Rolls-Royce Boattail. This handcrafted masterpiece takes more than 4 years to build. Inspired by luxury yachts, the Boattail features a sweeping wooden rear deck, a built-in hosting suite, parasol, crystal glasses, and a refrigerator handcrafted specifically for vintage champagne. Rolls-Royce created only 3 units, each customized to the owner's personal taste, right down to the color, materials, and even the stitching patterns. Powered by a smooth 6.75-liter V12 engine, the Boattail is less about speed and more about unmatched luxury. At $28.5 million, this is the closest thing the automotive world has to a private yacht on wheels. And finally, number 1, the most expensive car in the world in 2025, the Rolls-Royce La Rose Noire Droptail, with a jaw-dropping price of $30.7 million. This masterpiece was inspired by the black Baccarat rose, a flower known for its deep black-red petals. Everything about this car is handcrafted perfection. A sweeping roadster body, over 1,600 hand-fitted wood pieces inside, a removable carbon fiber roof, and custom-made rose-themed detailing found nowhere else on Earth. Even the dashboard features a unique timepiece collaboration between Rolls-Royce and a luxury Swiss watchmaker, valued alone in the millions. Powered by a refined V12, the Droptail delivers both elegance and grand touring performance. This isn't just the world's most expensive car. It's a rolling sculpture created for one of the wealthiest families on the planet. And there you have it, the top 5 most expensive cars in the world in 2025. These cars aren't just transportation. They're symbols of status, craftsmanship, and the limits of human imagination. If you enjoyed this countdown, Make sure to subscribe to Epic Top 5. Don't forget subscribe and let us know in the comments. Which car would you choose if money wasn't a problem? Thanks for watching and see you in the next Epic Top 5.